Thank you for taking the time to look at this information. If you're looking at it on any social media site, that I want to ask you to like and share this information if you find the information relevant to your life. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm not here to get you all excited. What I am here to do is to share with you some information that will revolutionize your life in the way you view money particularly, but just life in generally. I ask you to hold on because we're getting ready to go over some quick information that can change your life. What if I asked you that would you like to make, say, $2, $3, $5, even $1,000 extra in your paycheck? Would you be interested? If I say, hey, if I can show you how you can make, say, $200 to $500, would you be interested? Yes? Okay, well, that's what this website is going to show you. Now, one of the things about this website is education. It's about teaching you how to get the information to make the difference. You know, a lot of people have said that, and I've heard a lot of times people say, information is power. That's not exactly true. Information is potential power. Information is like paying your light bill. You know, your light bill, you pay it, you got that potential power just humming behind the walls. But until you take action and go over and turn on that light switch, none of that light is coming in your house. You're going to sit right there in the dark. However, you take the action, you be consistent and walk over there and turn on that light switch, all of a sudden the room lights up. You now can see. You're not bumping your toe on the couch and kicking the dog. You are now able to see and navigate through the room and get to the place wherever it is you're trying to do or whatever you're trying to achieve. That's exactly what we're trying to do here on this website, is to help you to achieve exactly what it is you want. I personally love to have fun. I'm coming to love travel more than I ever did before because, see, once upon a time I wasn't able to travel. I wasn't able to do anything. I was locked into a job and I worked upwards of 45 to 50 hours a week. I worked Monday through Saturday, and it locked me out of being able to do anything. And I wasn't able to, you know, I worked hard, but I've come to find out not only was I working hard, and I was a very good employee, but when the first time the company hit a road bump, I'm the person that my job was threatened. You know, and that was an uncomfortable feeling. And eventually, you know, end up leaving that job. You know, fortunately, I left before the company went belly up. I happened to be blessed that way. But it was uncomfortable. And, you know, for those unfortunate people who actually stayed till the ship sunk, after it was done, they didn't have nowhere to go. So they had to just do what they had to do. However, getting back to having fun and traveling, I no longer want to be in that position. I want to have more control of my life. I don't want to rely necessarily on the whims of business. I want to basically insulate my life so that I can live my life the way, on the terms that I wish to live it. Okay, so adding an extra $2 to $3, $4, maybe $500 will make a major difference. Made a major difference in my life. Okay, so back to fun. Back to travel. I've learned that when you're traveling, you need three things. One, you need time, health, and guess what the third one is? Money. Okay? Now, you can have all the time in the world, but if you don't have health and you don't have money, nothing's happening. You could be the healthiest person you know. You know, you can do marathons and be healthy as you ever want to be. But if you don't have the time to travel, if you don't have the money to travel, you're not going nowhere. And guess what? All of it's true if you have all the money in the world, but you don't have no good health and your time is all eaten up. You can't do anything. If you have all three and can bring all three of those things together at the same time, then you can have all kind of adventures and go all kind of places and see and meet all kind of new things. And that is a wonderful life to live. So what I would like to do, getting back to this website, is to show you how, without taking on a second job, without burden yourself very much, and I say very much because it does require you to be consistent. It does require you to act on the information, just like that light switch. You have to get up, you have to turn it on, and then once the light is on, you have to move around. Okay, you can't. This is not the lottery. You're not gonna. It's not gonna show you. Now, guess what? I'm not asking you to sell a thing. I'm not asking you to go out and sell no perfumes or soap or some kind of health product. I'm not even asking you to, do anything. What I'm asking you to do is to learn these techniques, these skills, these different skill sets that will help you to change and navigate and improve the quality of your life. And in that, you can then have options. And that's what this is all about. You learn to have options. And I call options freedom. I'm not here to get you all hyped up and things like that. What I am here to do is to share with you this information. Now, if you want to improve your credit, if you want to eliminate your debt and build the foundation of your financial stability, choose this button. If you are looking to do some major investing, and you want to learn how to make money in the forex market, choose this button, because this is going to help you to learn about it. What is it? Takes you from what is forex, or the foreign exchange market, how did it come to be, and how you can participate where you can start making money on your spare time while you sleep. Because the bottom line is, I've learned that if you're not making money while you are sleeping, you'll be working all the days of your life. And I believe that's a quote from Warren Buffett, but nonetheless, it's the truth. And I'm gonna tell you, it's beautiful to be making money while you're sleeping. I'm gonna tell you, if you've never done it, let's learn how to do it. And in both of the things that I'm teaching you or leading you to will get you to that point. So it's up to you. I thank you for your time. See you on the other side. I love you. I'm out.